Introducing new subscription software delivery from CADLink Technology. Running select software applications as a subscription service ensures that users always benefit from access to the latest design and production technology with regular new features and custom driver updates for the latest output devices. CADLink offers flexible purchasing options tailored to your specific usage requirements. Avoid a large upfront investment, allowing you to get your production up and running for less. Minimize potential downtime with unlimited, free, remote technical support provided with all active subscriptions. With CADLink subscriptions, you'll receive all the latest updates automatically downloaded and installed to your workstation in the background. With immediate digital download delivery, you can be up and running in minutes without added security devices or access codes, using software installed directly onto your workstation. No worrying about sudden or extended cloud-based service outages. The highly flexible user license management gives you the power to add, remove, or reassign software applications and modify customer information or payment options in a secure online environment. You also have access to easy, immediate account management. Take advantage of the new powerful CADLink subscription delivery service and keep your business on the cutting edge of production technology. Sign up today at cadlink.com/subscription.